Okay, so let's go over how we can make group chats in SillyTavern. Now, if you've used Character AI or some of these other AI role-playing apps, you're probably already familiar with group chats. However, in my opinion, SillyTavern does them the best, and I think that it is the best place to work with these group chats. So first you're going to want to go over to this character management tab and then click here on create a new group chat or create a new group, I'm sorry. And then you're going to need to add members to your group. And you can look them up by name, or I'm going to use tag. I made a few characters specifically for this. And we're going to add 3 characters to the group. And I'm just going to name the group my group. You can change the group reply strategy or group generation handling mode. However, personally, I think natural order, swapping the character cards, works pretty good. You can also check or uncheck this box that will allow them to reply to themselves. Personally, I think it works a little better to not have them replying to themselves, but that's a matter of personal preference. So I am going to just create this new group, and we have a new group, but we need to find it. So we are going to come back to where we have our standard characters, and we see my group. If you don't see it, it's probably because you have this little button here, which is to show the groups, crossed out. So if you click there, now you can see my group. Let's click on it. And as you can see, they all kind of do their starting message. If you don't want this, you can click here to delete the message with the little trash can, or you can even go here and then modify the message. But I'm just going to leave them all and show you guys really quick how it works. Obviously, we could type in a message and they will respond. But the coolest thing I think about SillyTavern is we actually don't need to type in a message. We can just click here like we're sending a message and they will automatically generate a response. So we see here Lena has responded. She's trying to talk. And if we continue, we will see more people keep responding. And there we go. Now Mark responded. So if we wanted to interject, we could interject, or we could just keep it going. So now I'm going to put in a response. I'm just going to say like, hey guys, comma, how's it going? And they will respond to me now. So there you go. That's about it. Pretty simple, straightforward, managed just about the same as characters. You just got to create your group chats. I think it's a lot of fun because you can use LLMs to simulate like different characters talking, and that can give you a better way to dive a little bit deeper and see how your LLMs work and just kind of experiment with them talking to themselves or talking with multiple ones at the same time. So I hope you guys have a lot of fun with that. If you have any questions, please let me know and I will try to answer you guys in the comments. Have a wonderful day.